Hi everyone. Okay, so a couple of announcements. This is your Tuesday tips video. So every Tuesday I'm going to be uploading some videos that help guide you through the reading and that may add some information into what I've asked you to do for your assignments for the past week and for the upcoming week. So I just want to take this Tuesday's tips to number one, make sure that you're aware of the emails USM is sending out pertaining to Hurricane Marco and Laura. You really need to listen to the information that the email is giving you. Please be prepared to take action if you need to, and listen to what the email is telling you to do. It's very important that you're looking at that, you're checking your emails, you're being on top of the situation. Secondly, if you need help, do not be afraid or shy to reach out in case something's happening. You can reach out to me or you can reach out to someone else at the university. We want to make sure that you're staying safe during this time. So hopefully it'll go west of us. We might get a little wind and rain, but I'm not a meteorologist. I'm an English teacher, so I'm going to stick to that. Okay, so I just want to introduce you to week 2. I'm going to flip my screen around, and I'm going to walk you through making sure you know where to go to do your week 2. So we go back to modules, and we'll go down to week 2, exploring literacies and literacy narratives. So we're going to talk about your first project on Thursday, and my internet is a little bit slow, but the first thing that you need to do before Wednesday is to watch this video. It's on academic literacy. Then you're going to need to complete the video response. And then I'd like you to read Seamus Haney's Digging, and then complete the poetry reading response. So what you're going to do is I'm going to have you read this poem, and then for your response, you'll read the poem out loud, recording yourself on audio. You can record it visually as well if you want to. You don't have to. I just need to hear your voice reading the poem. Like I said last week, it's really, really neat to hear different people read the same poem because you emphasize different parts of it. So for your Tuesday tips this week, I'm going to read the poem aloud to you. You can also listen to it being read aloud. Okay. Digging. Between my finger and my thumb, the squat pin rests, snug as a gun. Under my window, a clean, rasping sound, when the spade sinks into gravelly ground. My father digging. I look down, till his straining rump among the flower beds bends low, comes up 20 years away, stooping in rhythm through potato drills where he was digging. The coarse boot nestled on the lug, the shaft, against the inside knee was levered firmly. He rooted out tall tops, buried the bright edge deep, to scatter new potatoes that we picked, loving their cool hardness in our hands. By God, the old man could handle a spade, just like his old man. My grandfather cut more turf in a day than any other man on Tonner's bog. Once I carried him milk in a bottle, corked sloppily with paper. He straightened up to drink it, then fell to right away, nicking and slicing neatly, heaving sods over his shoulder, going down and down for the good turf, digging. The cold smell of potato mold, the squelch and slap of soggy peat, the curt cuts of an edge, through living roots awaken in my head, but I've no spade to follow men like them. Between my finger and my thumb, the squat pin rests. I'll dig with it. So I hope that you enjoy this poem as much as I did. We're really going to start talking about those moments that we have with literacy, our past experiences with reading and writing, and what it means to us to be able to do it and to be able to connect with other people and ourselves using that form of communication. I'm really excited to see you guys on Thursday. I hope that you're taking care of yourself. And again, if you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me.